How to share notes on Instagram with close friends. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can share notes on Instagram with close friends. So let's just dive right into the video and do it. So first thing is making sure your Instagram is updated to the latest version, because the latest version allows us with this updates that lets us share notes on Instagram with close friends. So once you are logged in into Instagram, you can head over to the messages icon at the top. Just go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you can go ahead and share a note. So you can just go ahead and add up what's on your mind, a simple note, or add a music. After that, in the bottom, you can find this option that says followers that you follow back and share. So go ahead and tap on this followers that you follow back. And when you do that, in the bottom, you will be finding close friends option. Select the second option and you can add people, customize it. After that, click on done. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and hit share, and there you go. So that is it. That is how you share notes on Instagram with close friends, following up those methods. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.